Hello world, hello Philippines, hello my friends, and hello to all of my subscribers, families and friends everywhere in the world today. Welcome back again to our channel Johlo Carmelotes. This is Johlo Carmelotes and this is your channel. Before anything else, I would like to say thank you so much for your unwavering love and endless support to our channel. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe now and click this notification bell button for you to be updated on our next daily vlogs and daily reaction video. Okay guys, for today's video guys, I am so excited to share my video because we are going to cook a Garo style recipe. As you can see, I'm wearing my apron right now. And yeah, the name of this recipe is Do.o Kappa Garo style recipe. So me as a Filipino try to cook a Northeast Indian recipe. Okay, so please watch this video until the end and we will cook the dish today. And after that, we will taste it. So without any further ado, let's go and I will show it to you what are the ingredients of this Garo style recipe. Let's go! Okay guys, it's time to taste our Garo style Do.o Kappa Garo style recipe. And I'm so excited to taste this, and this is our first time to taste a Garo style recipe. Okay, so it's better to serve with a steamed plain rice. So I will get some this one. We will taste this first. Wow! Amazing! Ah, so delicious! So yummy! I like it! Mmm! Perfect! I think this is perfect for me. This is a very delicious recipe from Garo. Mmm! 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 A little bit spicy, and yeah. This kind of recipe is very similar to our halang-halang. We call it halang-halang, chicken halang-halang. We cook like this also, but in different style. We put onions and garlic on it and oil. But this recipe is without cooking oil. Okay, so it's very yummy. It's very delicious. Mmm. Let's eat. Mmm. Yummy. It's very yummy. Oh man, I like the food. I like this food, man. Mmm. Mmm. Ah, so yummy. I will call my wife. Po, it's yummy, po. Po. Lami siya. Lami. Dili kayo halang. I like it. I like it. I really love it. It's very perfect. So good. Come. This is the chili, and I will taste it. I will eat the chili. And yummy. I love it. It's very easy to cook, and it's yummy. It's delicious. I'm enjoying eating like this kind of food because I like spicy food. Yeah, I like. I love to eat spicy foods like this. The chicken is very tender and juicy, and you can taste the ginger, the chili. Yeah. Very yummy. Look. Yummy. So, guys, thank you for watching me cooking Garo style recipe. This is Do.o Kappa chicken Garo style recipe. And I hope you like this video, and please share this to your community, and please cook this kind of recipe because I know you will love it like I did. No, I love this cooking recipe. I will cook this the other sometime. Okay, so thank you for watching us, and I hope to see you again on my next daily vlog and daily reaction video. And I will search another recipe from Garo or from Northeast India. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our next daily vlogs. Man, I'm enjoying eating this one, and I hope you will cook this too. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all, and God bless you all. Mwah! Let's eat. Ciao time. Bye.